AbraCadabra, I create as I speak, an intuitive activation. Suspend the illusion of separateness. You are the prism. You direct all energy structured by your ego, your unique and precious self, which creates the reality that you inhabit. All time is now. Everything is you. Your power is in this moment. Target. What are you creating? Not wishing, not hoping, creating right now. Name it. There is power in a name. Let your attention be the arrow, your intention the aim, your desire the bull's eye. Direct your attention now like a shooting arrow at the target. The future exists now. All time is now. You are not reaching. You are claiming what already is. Action. Speak it aloud or silently, but with absolute clarity. Live it each moment in your willingness to stay the course. Your prism structures all energy through you. Cooperate with the pieces of your goal that appear. They are working with you to create what you intend. Notice synchronicities. Choose the path to your goal in every moment. Respond to everything with your goal as part of you. This is not magic. This is you living the infinite power of our unity through the precise focus of your individual prism of your precious, unique self. Possible outcome. What you speak becomes what you encounter. Reality rearranges itself to match your declaration because you and reality are one. Your prism, you, create reality. Transform obstacles into tools. Problems lead you to resources. You are the creator, creating. Your words structure energy into form. Your actions structure energy into form. AbraCadabra. You create as you speak, and the world you speak comes into being. AbraCadabra.